Today I'm going to take you through how to do a chi-square test for independence in SPSS. So we have a research question today is there a significant relationship between the average salary and the region of the state the district is located in? So the data set we're going to use today is the statewide school district data set here. I'm going to go ahead and open that up. Now the 2 points of data we are looking at the region and the average salary. Now what we have here is two different types of data. One, the region being nominal and the average salary being a interval data, numeric data. So we first need to turn that interval data into nominal, but in this case we're going to turn it into ordinal data so that we can use the chi-square test. So first what we're going to do is we're going to head to transform, click on transform. We are going to go to visual binning and we are going to click on average salary, click the blue arrow and click continue. Now in this visual binning box we need to create a new name for our bin variable. Okay, so right here I am going to just reverse the words, and so we're going to call it salary F. Okay, now after we rename that, what we're going to do is here is our histogram. Now SPSS is telling us that there is a beginning number, a minimum salary number of $38,455 with a maximum of $62,943. Now what we're going to do is we're going to create some ordinal data of a low, a medium, and a high salary to make looking at this easier in a chi-square. So what we're going to do is click on make cut points. Now we are going to click on equal percentiles based on scanned cases. So what it's going to do is going to take that data and divide it into thirds. Now I'm going to create 2 cut points. Okay, so a middle 2, so that leaves us a low, a medium, and a high, and it's going to give me a percentage of 33 1/3 or 1/3 of the data that's there. So we're going to click on apply and we are going to click on OK. Now if we take a look back at our statewide school district data set, we see that we've added this last column of some ordinal data with the labels being 1 for low, 2 for medium, and 3 for high. Now, so going back to a research question, is there a significant relationship between the average salary and the region of the state the district is located in? We're going to work with a null hypothesis of there is no significant relationship between average salary and the region of the state the district is located in. Now our alternative hypothesis is that there is a significant relationship between the average salary and the region of the state the district is located in. So we're going to run that chi-square test to figure that out. So to run the test, we go up to Analyze, Descriptive Statistics, Crosstabs, click on Crosstabs. Now it does not matter what we put in rows and columns, but to make this easy, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put my new data set that I put in, the av salary. I'm going to click that into rows and I'm going to put region into my columns. Now what we're going to do to get the chi-square test is click on statistics, click on chi-square, click on continue. And I'm going to add a little bit of extra data in here just for our to help us visually look at the data. What we're going to do is we're going to add percentages to the column. Okay, this is just going to help us a little bit. So we go ahead and click continue and then we click OK. So here is our chi-square test. Okay, so we have 235 districts split between 5 regions. So here is our alpha, how many districts we have. Okay, now what we're looking at here is here's our data spread across all 5 regions in the state district, or region 1, region 2, region 3, region 4, and region 5. Now, if we look at this, what we can see is that there are 72 districts reporting in Region 1, 66 reporting in Region 2, 36 reporting in Region 3, 38 in Region 4, and 23 in Region 5, which gives us our 235 number. So what we're going to look at first is our significance. Now, one thing we need to make sure that we look at is that our Pearson chi-square significance is less than our alpha of 0.05. It is 0.001. So because of this, we are going to reject the null hypothesis and state that there is a significant relationship between the average salary and the region of the state that the district is located in. If we look back at these percentages, we can start to see some of those differences. So, for example, Region 3 has 4 low average salary districts, 10 medium salary districts, and 22 high district salaries, as compared to Region 5, which is 10 low, 10 medium, and 3 high. So we can see that there is a difference between the salaries based off the region and the state. So we really can come to the conclusion that that the region of the state does affect the salary in the district. And that is your chi-square test for independence.